Watch. For the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man. Hey, franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know when I come for represent, you don't know a full effect thing. You don't know what's going on. When I aim up, load up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. What? You don't know a loud explosion. Are the most electrifying man in a YouTube entertainment business. Watch. So here we are going right about now. We see say MVP fail the mission for take over for dancehall. So them not even make dancehall play off. You see it? Because right now, we not gonna lie, in the street of Jamaica, and they look at you, them the six them a tear up the place. We don't know massacre, a consistent hit artist. You see what I deal with? And you don't know you not have to mention the world boss. Because you see say last night the man share here to boss live and disgrace them over Facebook. You see what I deal with? Hashtag find a hit song. And if you can't find one, you can pay up the money and we sell on one. You see what I deal with? That's all the boss full of it. So here we go on now. Right about now the man them fail the mission big time. Because when the man them have the spotlight of the people them never think further ahead. Them they just think at the moment. So them think them one thing where them just bring out all it go work for them all the while. Where them talk about levels, where them segregate themselves from the rest of the artists them. That mean them no work show with the rest of the artists them. Them no voice song on the same rhythm with the rest of the artists them. Then all dancehall can expand. You know what I mean? It is a real nice if you could hear a couple of the same man them pan rhythm. You know what I mean? And them thing they make all CD and mix and them thing they stop sell. You know what I mean? One time them thing they used to inner demand. Whenever artists they on the same, not really every artist, but most artists they on the same rhythm. The look cassette man them will sell cassette them time there. All the man them will sell CD. A big money the youth them make. You know what I mean? Because every man want a mix and them shit there. Nobody now run down them thing there no more. Because you know see how the man them deal with dancehall and then the man them want to act like pretend. You know what I mean? Like them are the thing. You know what I mean? And then you have some look up blogger who go around and hype up the thing and sell the people them false information like that can't work. But ask you something. Who verify you know? Who notify you know, my virgin, and verify you know? Who stamp you know? You know what I mean? My sister you know act like you know wants to stamp with the electrify man them. You're not electrify enough. You know what I mean? You cannot stamp with the big man them. You see what I deal with? A real talk I make. So when I somehow I soon fight against Ear to Boss and I fight against Video Link. You can't stamp with the big dog them. And a joke I make. And that's why the man them piss at the gate. At the border the man them mark. That mean the man them own the yard. That mean you can't pass the border. You know you try pass the border, cross dog I go bite you up. You hear that? You cannot stamp with the big dog them. You don't have the approval. You know what I mean? Nobody no verify you, no notify you, no stamp you. Come on. Don't get up and think you know the thing you are not. You see what I deal with? So you get up and force alkaline and now look there. Them can't go up to expectation and that's why all of them talk you can call upon him name. One never allow him make him develop in the artist who him supposed to be. You know what I mean? First thing thinks, make MVP for race out Vybz Kartel. And then a Vybz Kartel style, image and everything you are going to use. Or you are going to erase out something and I use the same pattern and the same style. You know, say you go bigger, you go get it bigger. You're a joker, you have to come with your own thing. That means you clean out that completely. Just like when a lion go take over. You have to kill the man lion and take him woman and kill all the rest of him pitney them. Because him wipe out the family there. A new generation him a bring. A real talk, I make say you couldn't use the man thing and check say that can wipe out the man out of dancehall. When you are the carbon copy. You see what I deal? Or you go wipe out blueprint. You crazy? So you start the thing on a big lollipop note. And you look at bloggers where hype up the thing. How you feel now? For see around 2 weeks now, the big man thing still a trend #1. The amount of views they on it, me hear a certain particular bloggers, I say, look like the man them a buy views. And true, him know the general Vybz Kartel in a prison, I blame it pan the man them down a mobby. Say, look like the man them a buy views. More know what kind of lollipop thing that him a deal with. So if the man them have buy views, it look like every artist a buy views to me, especially film artists. Because when them used to get certain views and certain look at hype, me never hear him come out and I say that. And when the people them even say that, them never give that no highlight like a them thing that happen. You know what I mean? Come on, man. Every man have them time, man. It's just that what you do with your time, my brethren. You see what I deal with? So you spend on the time if you think you can ride over the world, boss, my brethren, instead of spend on the time for try build on a career to a capacity where you can live off of, because you set the foundation concrete. You know what I mean? You have some local lollipop blogger run with the name and some local lollipop argument and think you can deal with Gaza any type of ridiculous way. One don't know a Gaza drop the anchor where all the big dancehall ship out of sea. You don't know Gaza link them stronger than the iceberg where broke Titanic. You don't know no lollipop thing. You don't know a Gaza Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. You don't know the general, the 10-star one I represent in a live and living colors. You don't know it go already when time we aim up, crank up and load up and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You don't know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Gaza Nation. Hear me. What? 10-star. Gaza way. Watch.